Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use trains in FS22. First, approach the train and press the designated key to enter the cabin. Once inside, use your standard vehicle controls to move forward and backward along the tracks. To attach wagons, slowly back your train into them until they automatically connect. Detaching is just as simple, usually requiring another key press when stationary. Mastering these basic steps is your first stop to becoming a successful train operator. Efficient cargo management is key to train operations. You'll find specific loading and unloading points marked on your map. Drive your train, ensuring each wagon is perfectly aligned beneath the loading or unloading spout. Different goods, like grain or wood, require specific types of wagons and facilities. Once positioned, activate the loading or unloading process. Remember, proper alignment ensures your cargo is transferred smoothly, maximizing your transport efficiency and profits. Managing your train's route is crucial for timely deliveries. Open your map to view the railway network and plan your journey. Pay close attention to railway signals. A green light means clear passage, while red indicates a stop. To change tracks, you'll need to interact with track switches, often found near junctions. These switches allow you to direct your train onto different lines, ensuring you reach your destination without any detours or collisions. To truly master trains in FS22, consider advanced strategies. Use trains for high-volume, long-distance transport of goods like grain or sugar beet, reserving trucks for shorter hauls. Coordinate your train schedules with your harvesting and production cycles to minimize idle time. For example, have a combine harvester fill a trailer, then quickly transfer that to a waiting train. Efficiently loading and unloading can save valuable in-game hours, boosting your overall farm's productivity and income.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.